I am a lover of fried eggs. Plain, garnished, omelette, scrambled. Please just fry me some eggs. In this video, I'll be showing you how I fry the healthiest and most filling fried eggs. Healthy because it consists of a variety of nutrients that your body needs, and filling because it literally makes your stomach feel full. Trust me, you want to try this. So what do you need? In this plate, I have one medium-sized tomato, which is cut sliced. I have one big red bell pepper, which is tatashe. It's also chopped. I have 3 little atarodos, which is your chili pepper. I have a tablespoon of green peas, a tablespoon of sweet corn. I have 1 carrot diced, and I have half of an average sized red onions. And of course, the star of the show, which is the egg. So place your pan on low heat and add 1 tablespoon of canola oil or coconut oil or sunflower oil, or even if you don't mind the taste of olive oil, that's fine. A tablespoon is just right. As the heat comes up, you add your onions, your carrots, your peppers. You know what, just pour everything into the pan. Like it really doesn't matter. Once you've tossed it all into the pan, just let it sizzle a little. You can stir it slightly. Then it's time to add in your spices. I have chicken cubes here. I really love chicken cubes when it comes to frying of eggs. So I just use half of a twin pack. If you're in Nigeria, you probably know what brand that is. Yes, then that's a teaspoon of curry. I love curry. And then a sprinkle of salt. Probably a little bit more than a pinch, maybe 2 pinches of salt, and then a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I usually also add ginger powder, but I did not have at the point where I was making this video. So please, by all means, you should add that if you have and if you like the taste. And then we pour in our whisked egg. Remember, this is just 1 egg. And you give it a quick stir. Now, if you want it all scrambled up, of course, you can just scramble it away. But I just left it this way, trying to evenly spread it around the pan. My pan is quite big for 1 egg, but it will still come out nice. If at this point you are just coming to my channel for the first time, please can you just hit the subscribe button while we are waiting for that lovely egg to sizzle up for about 2 minutes. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video, okay? Look, my channel is majorly female focused. While I know that I do have some male followers or subscribers, it's majorly about my journey as a woman and how to help another woman. So 2 minutes done, and we're going to give it a little bit of a toss. Not like I'm going to toss the pan and like let the egg flip in the air, but just to turn it to the other side a little bit so it can also evenly cook or fry. And I will leave it for about 1 minute, maximum of 2 minutes, just to cook a little bit. I keep saying cook, well, it's still cooking. And basically, look, you can go wild with the spices. It's up to you if you want to put cumin, paprika, whatever it is, okay? But this is so yummy. Oh gosh, if you don't know me, or if you just want to get one fact about me right now, is that my favorite food is yam and eggs. I could eat it like every single day. boiled yam, fried yam, yam pottage. That is me. Just give me yam and eggs, okay? And you see, does this look like one egg? There is no way you will eat this and you will not be filled. That's majorly the purpose. I fill it up with all these veggies and peppers so that it is healthier, and also so it's filling and I do not have to take so much. At this point, I can only eat just a slice of yam. And if you want to make 2 eggs, that's fine. When I do 2 eggs, I could actually eat it as a meal on its own. I just fry the 2 eggs with all the mixed veggies, with the peppers, and I take a cup of green tea and I am fine, super fine for the morning, the afternoon, or the evening, whenever it is. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, so I know that I can make more of these videos and you find them really helpful. And please leave any comments, any suggestions, and anything in the comment section. Just show me some love. Thank you. Till we see you again.